morning, everyone. It is Saturday, December 12th, and this morning I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning up before I start working on some projects that I have, and I'll share with you guys. And I also gonna do an inventory check so I can do a second sale, which will be today. You guys are watching Tuesday. And so go through inventory, see what I have available, update a few things, and yeah, okay, let's get started. Leaving the house for a bit to run a few errands, but I'm back, aka why I'm wearing different clothes. But I started working on a few things that I want to start sewing up, and I'm working on a mask here that will be released probably next month, and it's just same face mask, just different fabric. I just didn't get it in time for the first release, so it'll be part of the second release. And yeah, I'm working on that. Then I kind of switched it up because that was only one mask, and I was working on an order with an old design. This is the Psychedelic Tree satin scarf. It's one of the few scarves that I have that are actually of polyester, which first, not necessarily my favorite type of fabric, but for the people that do not like silk or don't want to own silk, this is a great option. So, but it's one of my first designs, bandana designs. Actually, I think it is my first scarf design, so still holds dear to my heart. So there was definitely a few steps in between as to getting to the final product of the scarf, but I'll save that for another video on how I go from step from design to a physical scarf in another video. So I'm just packing this order up so I can have it ready and send off to its new home. Hey guys, so you've seen a few footage of me cleaning, did a little bit of sewing on a few orders, and then now I'm going to do is go through all of my second pin quantities, and I'm going to update the store, and this will all be live on Tuesday, and so you guys will all be able to purchase these. So if you don't know what seconds are, they're just slightly imperfect pins, so they don't meet my normal standard quality, but they're still fairly good, and are kind of sometimes even better, especially if you're introducing yourself into pins, so you don't have to spend as much, and they'll just be small flaws that normally you can't even like see, but yeah, and you kind of just don't have to feel like you're having to be super delicate with them because they're like, oh, they're already a little damaged anyways. So yeah, so like this is a second pin. Oh, it's a little hard to see, but there's just a little bit of like a little scratch on it, but it's very hard to see. So I'm going to be counting through all of these, and then I will be uploading them, and I'm going to get through it. Okay.
counted all of this, which is a lot, and it's all ready. So we also have some keychains that will be part of the second sale. It will be a tab on the website. I'll also leave a link down below so you guys can easily get access to it. But all of these are part of the second sale. So pins will be $5 and keychains are $8. So it's a huge discount. Grab them while you can because these aren't usually restocked. So unless I restock standard quality, there may be some seconds that may happen, but yeah, once they're gone, usually they're gone. So yeah, and bottle openers, which these sold out really quickly. Normal ones, so there's a few second ones available. So I'll get them as soon as possible. Okay.